Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Charcoal Pizza Oven is probably one of the most exciting additions you can make to your outdoor cooking arsenal, transforming your standard charcoal grill into a high-temperature pizzeria capable of delivering perfectly crispy crusts and bubbly, melted cheese in minutes, allowing you to enjoy authentic, wood-fired style pizzas right in your backyard without needing a dedicated, expensive pizza oven. Number 5. AIDPIZA 12 Wood-Fired Pellet Pizza Oven. Gather your loved ones for a delicious meal. This oven can cook a 12-inch pizza, perfect for sharing with everyone at your next family party. Experience the rich, smoky flavor of wood-fired cooking. It uses hardwood pellets for a balanced burn, infusing your food with a taste gas grills can't match. No more guessing or extra tools needed. Its built-in thermometer tells you exactly when it's ready, reaching 662 degrees Fahrenheit, 350 degrees Celsius, for perfect cooking every time. Take your culinary skills on the go. With its portable folding leg design, you can enjoy freshly made, delicious pizza wherever your adventures lead. Don't limit your creativity to just pizza. This versatile oven can also perfectly cook steaks, lamb chops, chicken wings, and even vegetables. What we like. This oven brings authentic wood-fired flavor right to your backyard or on the go, thanks to its pellet fuel system and portable design. Its built-in thermometer ensures precise cooking, eliminating guesswork for perfect results every time. If you crave that smoky, traditional pizza taste and love the flexibility to cook anywhere, this is your ideal choice. What people say. Number 4. Cuisinart Grill Top Pizza Oven Kit. This innovative kit turns your existing gas, charcoal, or pellet grill into a high-performance pizza oven. It's perfect for convenient outdoor cooking and making delicious homemade pizzas right in your backyard. It harnesses the power of your grill, converting it into a dedicated pizza oven. This allows you to enjoy authentic, brick oven-style pizzas with ease, using equipment you already own. Equipped with a durable cordierite stone, it retains heat exceptionally well. This ensures your pizzas cook evenly and develop that perfect crisp crust in just 5 to 7 minutes. Its reflective stainless steel interior is designed to enhance top heat. This feature guarantees that your toppings are cooked to perfection, complementing the crispy crust below. An integrated thermometer allows you to monitor the oven's temperature accurately, up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. This precision ensures optimal cooking conditions for every pizza you make. A lightweight 12-inch aluminum pizza peel is included for your convenience. It features a foldable wooden handle, making it easy to store and use when transferring your pizzas. What we like. This clever kit transforms your existing gas, charcoal, or pellet grill into a dedicated pizza oven, leveraging the heat you already have. The included cordierite stone and reflective stainless steel interior ensure evenly cooked, crispy pizzas in minutes. If you already own a grill and want an easy, efficient way to make homemade pizzas without buying a whole new appliance, this is perfect for you. What people say. Number 3. Onlyfire Stainless Steel Grill Top Pizza Oven Kit. This kit turns your existing grill into a professional pizza oven. Simply place it on your grill grate, and you're ready to bake restaurant-quality pizzas at home. Unlike painted steel, this oven is crafted from food-grade stainless steel for superior durability. It resists high temperatures, cleans easily, and maintains its professional look season after season. The innovative flip-over lid allows you to easily slide pizzas in and out. It also provides a clear view of the baking process, giving you total control and preventing burning. Its all stainless steel chamber captures and circulates heat for oven-style baking with wood-fired temperatures. This delivers perfectly browned cheese, a crispy crust, and evenly cooked toppings. Everything you need to start baking comes in the box. It includes a pizza stone for crispy crusts, a lightweight peel for easy launching, and a thermometer to monitor temperature. What we like. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this grill top oven promises exceptional durability and a professional look that lasts. Its innovative flip-open lid provides effortless access and perfect visibility, allowing you to monitor your pizza without losing heat. If you prioritize long-lasting quality, desire total control over your bake, and want restaurant-quality results from your existing grill, this kit is an excellent investment. What people say. Number 2. KettlePizza Deluxe USA 22.5. This innovative kit instantly turns your 22.5-inch kettle grill into a high-performance pizza oven. It's designed to fit popular models like the Weber One Touch Gold or Silver, expanding your outdoor cooking possibilities. Enjoy perfectly cooked pizzas every time, thanks to its clever design. The stable heat is maintained because you don't need to remove the lid to access your food, ensuring even baking. Crafted from durable 20-gauge, 304-grade stainless steel, this kit is built to last. It also comes complete with an American-made metal peel and a high-quality pizza stone, providing everything you need. Whether you prefer the smoky flavor of charcoal or the intense heat of wood, this versatile oven kit works with both. You have the freedom to choose your preferred fuel for authentic pizza taste. This product is proudly manufactured in the USA, ensuring high standards of quality and craftsmanship. Support local production while enjoying delicious homemade pizza. What we like. Specifically designed for 22.5-inch kettle grills, this kit seamlessly integrates to create a high-performance pizza oven. Its unique design keeps the lid on, ensuring stable, consistent heat for perfectly cooked pizzas every time. If you own a classic kettle grill and appreciate American-made quality and consistent cooking temperatures, this attachment is tailor-made for you. What people say. Number 1. YITAHOME Pizza Oven for Grill. Transform your grill into a gourmet pizza station with this innovative accessory. It brings the authentic taste of brick oven pizza right to your backyard. Designed to sit directly on your existing charcoal, gas, or propane grill, it utilizes your grill's heat for perfect cooking. This makes it incredibly versatile and easy to set up. Take your pizza party anywhere. Its portable design allows you to enjoy freshly baked pizzas at picnics, camping trips, or any outdoor gathering. This oven comes with a pizza peel and pizza cutter, so you have everything you need to start baking right away. It ensures a smooth and enjoyable pizza making experience from start to finish. Monitor the internal temperature with ease thanks to its integrated thermometer. This feature helps you achieve perfectly cooked pizzas every time, ensuring a crispy crust and melted cheese. Whether you have a charcoal, gas, or propane grill, this versatile oven is compatible with them all. It's the perfect upgrade for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. What we like. This grill top oven offers a portable solution for making delicious pizzas, easily fitting on your charcoal, gas, or propane grill. It comes complete with a pizza peel and cutter, providing everything you need to start baking right away. If you're looking for an all-in-one, portable pizza making solution that works with various grills and gets you baking quickly, this is a fantastic entry point. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.